Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys face lock setup. Friends, we want to set up face lock. So friends, how to set face lock, how to use. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So friends, first of all open your phone settings. After on phone setting friends, you can see guys your Poco phone password setting. Face lock, click here friends, you can see add face data, next option. And then first of all guys, we will have to set lock screen. Friends, you don't have any pattern pin and password on your lock screen, so we will select, I will select guys pattern. Friends, you can select your pin and password. So guys, I choose pattern, got it. Friends, I will draw here pattern lock, and guys remember your password, confirm option. Friends, now we will show our face. Friends, you can see face. So I wait here, then guys next option, tap here, and guys now show your face. Friends, after show face friends, click on done option. Friends, your face lock will set on your Poco phone. Friends, you want to add like face lock, so friends you can add. Friends, you can see on Poco phone guys, we can use two face lock. So we first, and guys now I will add guys my someone else face lock. So guys next option, friends you can see. So guys now we will show second face. Friends, you can see two face data. Friends, now we have, and guys three guys we cannot use guys, only two face lock guys available on Poco mobile. Friends, we can use two face lock. Friends, you can see two face guys we have. And friends, we want to rename, so you can rename also friends, then guys you will not have any confusion. So if my face, I will search here guys my face, and right side tap here. Friends, you can see this face lock will rename. So friends, now we will check this face lock. So friends, when I will show guys my face, and you can see my phone will unlock guys. And guys when I will show guys my friend face, so guys my phone will unlock guys. Second guys, I have guys two face lock, so when I will show my friend face, so then this phone will unlock guys. So like that guys, we can use guys two face lock, and we can set up face lock. Second option friends, click on password again. Guys click on your face lock and draw your pattern friends. Friends, you want to delete, so guys tap here and delete face data. And guys both of face lock guys I will delete. Friends, you can see we don't have face lock, so friends we cannot use face lock on Poco mobile. Friends, we can use only pattern lock. So like that we can set up face lock, we can set, we can add. And when you don't want to use, so friends you can change. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys. I hope friends you understood how to set up face lock on Poco phone. So bye guys.